Tencent Video has announced that the upcoming drama, Amidst a Snowstorm of Love, will premiere on February 2nd. The drama is based on the novel of the same name and tells the story of two young people who fall in love with each other, the talented snooker player Lin Yiyang and the talented nine-ball player Yin Guo. The drama's announcement was accompanied by the release of a trailer and behind-the-scenes footage from the poster shoot. The two main actors, Wu Zhao Jinmai, also each posted a video on their respective Weibo accounts to announce the premiere date.